Hello everybody, this is Val with This Is How You Do It. Guess what? Val cooks. And this is some hot water in my tea kettle. And what I'm doing now is I'm letting my pinto beans soak. Let them soak for about an hour, maybe two, before I start to cook them. They were rinsed first and then they were put into soak. Okay, I got the pinto beans in the water. It's been soaking for an hour. The reason I put it in hot water is because if you soak it in hot water, they'll swell up and they'll be more tender when you get ready to cook them. Some people soak them overnight. Because I didn't soak them overnight, I soaked them in hot water. And now I'm finna rinse them. That water there, at this time, you can season your water. You can season your water. It's your beans. You can put whatever meat you're going to put in here at this time. If you got ham hocks, pig feet, pigtails, oxtails, ham hocks, whatever you want to put in your beans for as your meat is concerned, this is the time to do it, because that meat has to cook about an hour or 2 hours, and your beans probably need to cook about that time also. And whatever seasoning you got in on your shelf, you need to go and put your seasoning in here now. And right now I'm just getting whatever seasoning I have, seasoned to your taste, because I don't have everything that I would normally have. So I'm just trying to put a lot of good seasoning in here. You know, garlic powder, or you got mixed garlic, whatever. Valerie seasoned salt, or garlic salt, whatever you use. Whatever you use. If you use the stuff with no MSGs, use that. I'm putting a little bell pepper and onion in it. Some people don't use the bell pepper. This is just what I'm putting in it because I'm trying to give it flavor. If you don't use meat in your beans, use butter. There needs to be some kind of fat in your beans or greens when you cook them. Especially if you're not using any meat. I cooked some pigtails the other day, which I'm finna skim the fat off of this. You see, when you have broth, there's always this film right here on top of it. And what you do about that film, is that you kind of cut it off. Go in there and skim all that fat off. Need something a little harder for that. I'm going to try it with the spoon. That's fat. And skim that fat off of there. If you have chicken broth or beef broth, this will collect on top of it. And now all this is just broth. Broth from the pig feet. I'm putting all of that in there with all these good old seasonings that was in there with it. That's what that is at the bottom. Now I'm going to let this cook down, and then I'll let you see what happens with that. And this is in a few minutes, y'all. The pinto beans been cooking for several hours. Practically all day. Now I did put some black pepper in here and a scoop of sugar. This is what the pinto beans look like. And if you like this sort of thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I used the broth from some pig feet that I had cooked. and I still have the pigtail pieces, but I cooked it all the pieces until it's falling apart. Now I can place the meat in here. I already used the juice to season it, and but as of now, this is ready. It already have the flavor in it and everything. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. And you've been cooking with Val, and I appreciate you coming by and sitting with me until we finish this. And I'll talk to all you guys on the next video. Enjoy your pinto beans. Bye-bye now.